Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil services, MECH, IFS, and various gate exams. And now we are covering the chapter entropy. And in this, the next topic is application of entropy principle. First application of entropy principle is transfer of heat through a finite temperature difference. Suppose we have two reservoir A and reservoir B. Reservoir A is maintained at temperature T1 and reservoir B is maintained at temperature T2. Q is the heat transfer from reservoir A to reservoir B. So as heat is taken from the reservoir A, so it is negative, and it is put into the reservoir B, so it is positive for that. As it is a reservoir, so its temperature will remain constant even if the heat is extracted. So entropy change of this reservoir will be as minus Q by T1, and entropy change of this reservoir will be as plus Q by T2. Okay, and once the steady state is achieved, the road, this is road connecting the two reservoir, its entropy will not change. So we are considering the steady state. So entropy change of universe is entropy change of A plus entropy change of B. So that is minus Q by T1 plus Q by T2, or this is your Q bracket divided by T1 T2 minus T1 minus T2. Okay, so here if T1 is greater than T2, then S universe is positive and the process is irreversible and possible. Okay, because here heat is transferred from this reservoir A to B, so this temperature is higher than this temperature, or T1 is higher than T2. So then the heat transfer will take place and the process will be irreversible. If the temperature is same and then the heat is transferring from T1 to T2, then the process is reversible process, and then the entropy change will be at 0. Okay. Okay, if S universe is 0, then the process is reversible, that is possible when T1 is equal to T2. But if T1 is less than T2, S universe will be negative, and then the process is not possible, because heat cannot transfer automatically from a cold reservoir to a hot reservoir. So T1 has to be greater than or equal to T2. Okay, so that is the first application of entropy principle, that is transfer of heat through a finite temperature difference.